With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have been given a list of proteins: tropomyosin, troponin, F-actin, and meromyosin. Now we have to identify how many of these we will find in the I band and how many in the H zone. So these terms are related to the structure of our skeletal muscle. We will find two contractile proteins. On one hand, we have actin, which constitutes the thin filaments, and the other contractile protein is myosin, which constitutes the thick filaments. Now, the structural and functional unit of muscle contraction is known as the sarcomere, where we can see both of these proteins. Now, they are themselves again complex proteins, so they are made up of monomers. So these three proteins which have been given to us, tropomyosin, troponin, and filamentous actin, all of these are part of the actin protein, whereas meromyosin is the monomer for myosin protein. So let us see what is the significance of I band and H zone, these two terms. We can see over here in the image of the sarcomere, the thick filament has been denoted by a pink color, whereas the blue color represents the thin filaments. So we can see how the thin filaments are overlapping over the thick filaments. Now H zone is this empty area in the middle where we are finding only our thick filaments and the thin filaments have not overlapped. So by H zone they mean that we should only mention the proteins that we will find in myosin, in the thick filaments, because thin filaments are not overlapping over here. So out of these four proteins, only meromyosin is a structural component of the thick filament. So only one will be found in the H zone. Rest three are related to actin, and actin is not present in H zone. Then what is I band? This represents our I band, and it is like an elastic fiber which bisects the thin filaments, and the thin filaments are firmly attached to it. So since the I band is associated with the thin filaments, all of these three proteins which are structural component of our actin protein of the thin filament, these we are going to find in the I band. Here the thick filaments are absent. So our correct answer over here will be option A. Three of these proteins we will find in the I band, because I band means only thin filament, and one we will find in the H zone, because H zone means the part of sarcomere where only thick filament is there. Option A is our correct answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.